Hi, how are you? Fine, na? Shabash. I hope all of you are studying well at home. But still, there are some doubts regarding some adjustments. So, today I am going to solve your doubt regarding admission of partner. Most of the students have confusion about this adjustment. Let's read. Radha and Sham are partners sharing profits and losses 3:2. So these are all partners, right? And their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. They admitted Keshav for 1/5 share. So who is new partner? Yes, Keshav. Keshav is new partner and his profit sharing ratio is 1 upon 5. Now the confusion is in this adjustment. So let's start. Closing capital of rupees 1 lakh is adjusted in new capital ratio, new profit ratio. It should be new profit ratio, new profit sharing ratio, making adjustments in cash. Solution. First of all, students, you have to calculate a new ratio. Let's begin. Um, what are the names of partners? Radha, Sham, and who is new partner? Search Keshav. So Radha, Sham, and Keshav are our new partners. So I will write their name first. Radha, then Sham, and third partner is Keshav. What is old ratio? 3:2. All of you know that 3:2 means what? 3 upon 5. How 5 came? 3 plus 2, right? 5. And 2 upon 5. Correct? And what about Keshav? Yes, I've already circled this. Keshav's profit share. See here, Keshav's profit share is 1 upon 5. So I'll write this 1 upon 5. Correct? Now the twist in the question. Multiply, multiply, multiply. See what I am doing. I am subtracting this 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4. I am writing here 4 upon 5. Okay, that's subtraction. Here also 4 upon 5. Now what I get here? Yeah, I kept this as pending. Correct. 3, 4 3s are 12. 5 5s are 25. 2 4s are 8. 5 5s are 25. And here also 25, here also 25. So here I should get 25 again. How will I get it? 5 5s are 25. As per rule of maths, if this is 5, here also I have to write 5 upon 5. So it is 5 divided by 25. Yes, now this is also 25. This is also 25. This is also 25. This is our new profit ratio. New profit sharing ratio. 12, then 8 upon 25 and 5 by 25. Right? Popularly known as 12 is to 8 is to 5. Done. New ratio to ho gaya. But still our adjustment is pending. 1 lakh. Total capital is fixed at 1 lakh. Chalo, distribute. 1 lakh is to be distributed among these three partners. Radha, Sham, and Keshav. Yes, 1 lakh. Let's consider about Radha, then Sham, and here I will do working for Keshav. केशव के लिए जगह कम है Okay. Working is same. Working is same for all, right? 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Comma डालना मत भूलना. Very important, right? Then, how many zeros? 5 zeros. Some students have confusion in zero also. Don't know why. 1 lakh here. Don't write 10,000. 5 zeros. Okay. Chalo. 12 divided by, find a total 25. We already have here. Dimag lagao. Dimag lagao. No need to do total. Already we have. Then 8 upon 25. 5 upon 25. I am taking all these now. Correct? Divide 25 fours 100. And 1 through 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Again 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. Ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. Right? क्या बोले? Division नहीं समझा? Okay, I will solve here. 1 lakh divided by 25. छोटे बच्चे हो गए रे सब. 1 lakh divided by 25. 25 fours are 100. Right? And how many zeros? 1 0, 2 0, 3 zeros are borrowed. 1, 2, 3. Borrowed matlab taken down. 1, 2, 3. हो गया 4,000. Right? Back to our original question. This is division. Now multiply 12 into 4, 48,000. 12 fours are 48 and how many zeros? Yes, 3 zeros. Comma mat bhulna. 8 fours are 32 and how many zeros? 3 zeros. Comma mat bhulna. 5 to 4s are 20 and 3 zeros. हाँ अब आप भी बोल रहे हो कॉमा ना भूलना. Okay, this is our closing capital. Closing capital. Where to enter this? This will be recorded in first effect, capital account, debit side. To balance, carry down, and balance sheet, liability. Okay, and as you know, the remaining balance is transferred to cash account. Okay, that we are not going to discuss because our new original question was this, and this is our solution. Okay, I hope you understood this, right? Great, very good.